All right, sailors, we are going to learn how to do something called a double entry journal. And this is how we're going to be doing written responses while we are in the process of reading and listening to The Outsiders. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to open up your reader writer notebook so that both sides are blank. So you've got a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And right here is that fold down in the middle, so it's all the way open. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide it this way. So you're going to draw a line down the middle of this page and a line down the middle of this page so that both sides are divided in half. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. You're going to label the top left text/prompt on both pages, here and here. And then the right column is going to say response, here and here. And then the little skinny area right here that is divided by a red line is going to have, this is the number symbol. It might look like a hashtag, ladies and gentlemen, but that is actually a number symbol. And that's where you're going to put page numbers if that is relevant to what we're doing. And the first thing we're going to use this for is to have a response for our preview video that we had you guys watch. And so right here in text and prompt, we're going to write preview video. So go ahead and write that now. And in the response, I want you to respond to something that you found in the preview video that was maybe surprising, something you didn't know about before, and tell us a little bit about maybe why it was surprising, or maybe it's something you're excited to learn about, something you thought was funny. Just explain why you reacted the way you did. So take some time to do that now. Pause the video and go ahead and respond. Okay, now, coming back from that, there's something else that we're going to be doing every time we read a chapter, and that is going to be a response questions. And these are going to be found in a Google form, and it's going to say quiz on Google Classroom. So the first one we're going to do is going to talk about outsiders slang. And it's going to ask you to identify some slang. So greaser, soch. Those were in the preview video, so you might have a little bit of an idea if you remember correctly. You know, I went over that. And so what you're going to do is you're going to talk about these expressions. What do you think it means? And then write a short definition and try to use it in a sentence. So here where it says short answer text is going to be your definition and a sentence that includes this word. And these quizzes will not always be about slang, obviously. Going forward, they're going to be questions about the chapter that you read so that you can expand a little bit and explain your reactions to the text and show us that you understand what you're reading. All right, sailors, so go ahead and fill out your Google form that's about outsider slang. Get to work.